What's up, everyone? I see you. I see the hustle. You're grinding every single day, creating amazing content, building your audience, dreaming of that moment when your passion turns into your full-time career. You want to be an influencer, a creator, a digital nomad, earning money from anywhere in the world. You're chasing freedom, impact, the ability to build on your own terms. That dream is more alive than ever, but the landscape is shifting under our feet. The tools, the strategies, the most in-demand are changing at lightning speed. The creator economy is booming and crowded. Standing out takes more than personality or a viral hit. It takes a secret weapon, an unfair advantage that puts you ahead of the curve. So, what is the secret key to the future? It's a job title you'll hear everywhere soon. Prompt engineer. It might sound technical, even intimidating, but it's one of the most exciting and accessible careers of the 21st century. For years, big tech centered on coding and data science. Those still matter, but a new role stands beside them. A role that values creativity, language, and strategic thinking as much as technical skill. Demand is exploding globally, from tech giants to scrappy startups. They'll pay top dollar, 6 figures, for mastery. Why? AI is powerful, not a mind reader. It needs a guide, a translator. That's the prompt engineer, the one who unlocks AI's full potential. This is happening right now. Speaking the language of AI. Let's break it down. Engineering is the art and science of talking to an AI. A prompt is a super detailed version of a search. Details transform results. You give clear, creative, carefully crafted instructions. You're the director. The AI is your infinitely talented actor. If you say, "I want pizza," the result is unpredictable. Cheese, anchovies, pineapple. But specifics get exactly what you want. With AI, you ask for a blog post, a photoreal image, a dataset analysis, precisely. Use the right keyword structure. Set tone. Write in a friendly, encouraging voice. Set format. Present as a bulleted list. Give roles and constraints to guide outcomes. Iterate. Tweak words until the output matches your vision. No coding required. You're thinking, sounds amazing, but expensive, right? Best part, you can start today, for free. No fancy university, no huge loans. It's so new and in demand that tech leaders are giving away training. All you need, a computer, the internet, and your drive. You can learn after work, at lunch, before bed. Weeks or months of focused learning beats years of debt. Location, grades, background, irrelevant. Skill wins, not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes effort, practice, curiosity. But the path is clear, and they're ready for you. Learning is powerful, but how do you prove it? Complete free courses from Google and Microsoft. Earn formal certificates you can add to LinkedIn, your resume, your portfolio. They signal serious, proactive, current skills. In fast-moving AI, a recent cert can beat an outdated degree. It shows you're aligned with real business tools and evolving. Don't just learn, graduate. Earn the certificate. It opens doors, boosts negotiations, and builds confidence. Get certified and proudly show what you can do. Where do you find these courses? Let's get specific. Start with Google's generative AI learning path. Beginner-friendly, self-paced, a few hours each. Then explore Microsoft's Career Essentials in Generative AI. Apply AI to real professional scenarios and earn a certificate. Beyond that, Coursera, edX, YouTube creators, blogs, Discord, Reddit communities. Pick one. Finish the first module. Build momentum. Learn by doing. Open ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot, and practice prompts. Experiment. See what works and why. The world's best course material and tools are free. Your education is in your hands. Start today. This message isn't just share it with your parents. Tech is moving fast. Many over 40 risk being left behind. Be the translator. Show AI as a helpful tool. Ask AI for a planting schedule tailored to their climate. Generate practical meal plans based on what you have. When they see the value, fear fades and curiosity grows. AI helps accountants, managers, small business owners, everyone. Invite them to learn with you. You're giving them a real gift, confidence and relevance. Be the tech expert in you. Guide them to a more secure future. It's a powerful role you can play. In the near future, there are two kinds of professionals: those who work with AI and those replaced by them. This shift is as big as the personal computer or the internet. AI literacy is becoming foundational for knowledge work. AI amplifies you. Faster, more creative, more efficient. It frees you to focus on strategy, creativity, human connection. Brainstorm ideas, write scripts, generate music, design thumbnails, draft posts. Prompt mastery doesn't replace creativity. It supercharges it. You'll execute at a scale and speed once impossible solo. Lean in now. Early adopters become leaders, innovators, and invaluable teammates who get things done. Let's bring it together. Prompt engineering is giving great instructions to AI. You can learn for free from the biggest names and earn certificates. Share this with people you love, especially your parents. The path forward is clear. The future isn't happening. It's something you build. Curiosity and drive beat pedigree. Everyone can learn and adapt. Your creator journey can make you an architect of intelligence. Don't wait. Don't procrastinate. Start now. The opportunity is here. Take the first step. The future is bright, and it's yours.